Hey everyone, welcome to Data Millennials. I'm Atul and I'm super excited to talk about this concatenate function in SQL in today's video. So let's move ahead and talk about this concatenate function. So this concatenate function allows you to combine two or more than two strings as a single string, and this is mostly useful when you have your data partitioned into multiple columns, and if you need to concatenate or add all of those columns as a single column, then you can use this concatenate function. So the best example for us in this video would be to concatenate two particular column and show you how you can use this concatenate function. So we have this table subscriber base, and if I run this query, you can see here is that we have first name and last name. So let's do one thing. Let's concatenate both of these two names, first name and last name, and create a new column which is the name of subscriber. So what I'll do is that I'll put select first name, then I'll put last name, and after this I'll put concatenate function, which is concat, and within this concat I'll put first name, okay, and I'll put last name as full name. Now what will happen if I run this query is that there will be no spaces between first name and last name, but ideally in real world scenario we have to put first name, then there is a space, and then we have to put last name, right? But I will show you how you can do that, but right now let's run this query first. So now you have this first name and last name, but this full name doesn't have any space, and you are unable to find out that which is the first name and last name if I remove these two columns, right? So let's remove these two columns and again run this query, okay, and you can see that we have the full name, but without any space in the middle we are unable to figure out that which is the first name and which is the last name, right? So let's introduce a particular space within this concatenate function. So what I can do is that after first name I can simply put a double quote, and within this double quote I can put a space, and after this double quote I have to put a comma. So the syntax within this concatenate function works like this, is that you have to give concatenate, you have to open a bracket, then after bracket you have to put the column name, and each of the column names, or if you're putting multiple column names, then you have to segregate those columns by comma, and if you want to put space or a special character, then you have to enclose it within the double quote. So let's take this example and run this first. Now you can see that there is a space between first name and last name. What if I have to add at the rate, or if any kind of a special character within the first name and last name? So simply within this double quote we can put any of the special characters, okay, and now if I run this query, you will see that all of these at the rate has been added between first name and last name. So this is how basically you can use the concatenate function to concatenate multiple strings together or add multiple strings together. Now if you're interested in Excel, you can click on the left hand side of this video, and if you want to learn more about SQL, you can click on the right hand side of this video. Happy learning and see you in the next video.